Good morning, student. Myself, Professor Ken Somonshi from Kekewag Institute of Engineering, Education and Research, Nashik, Department of Information Technology. Today we will see files in C. Okay, means that this is a concept that comes under the data structure and files. File is a collection of data stored in the secondary memory. So, for data was entered into the program through the keyboard. So files are used to storing the information that can be processed by the program. For example, if you have the any folder, you can store that information in that particular folder. Okay, that is called as a file. Another example, suppose you create any folder on desktop and give the name to that folder and save that information in that folder. Files are not only used for storing the data. Program program are also stored in files. So we store the program in files. In order to use the file, we have to learn file input and output operation. That is how data is read and how to write into file. So this is the basic information of files in C. Once again, I repeat, files are the most visible and most valuable feature of any computer system. So to its user, files provide a mechanism for long-term storage of data, that is a secondary storage. They remain to exist even if the computer is switched off. Files are stored in concentric circular track of a floppy or hard disks. A stream is important concept in C. A stream is a common logical interface to the various devices that comprise the computer. So a stream is logical interface to file. There are two types of stream, text stream and binary stream. Text file cannot be thought of as stream of character that can be processed sequentially. It can only be proceed in the forward direction. And binary files and text files. Okay, so there are two stream, that is the types of files. Okay, before that we will see using file in C. To use the file for essential action should be carried out. This action will be declare the file pointer variable, open a file using fopen function, process the file using suitable function. So this is a suitable function. Close the file using fclose and fplus function. Okay, so these are the uh, using files. Next, types of files. Okay, there are two types of files: text files and binary files. Now we will see what is a text file. Text file contain only the text information like alphabet, digit, special symbol. The ASCII code of this character are stored in this file. Sorry, it uses only 7-bit, allowing 8-bit to be 0. Text file contain ASCII value. Text file can be seen on monitor. It can be edited using the any text editor. It is easy to handle as the content are visible. If the text file is used as the input data, then there will be additional overhead in converting the integer number and floating point number to its equivalent internal representation. An integer or real number require the more storage area when the stored in the text format. Then what is the binary files? Okay, we will see the binary file. Now, what is a binary file? Sorry, binary files is the file consist of 8 bits. We can have a total 256 combination of 8 bits, that is a 2 raised to 8. And ASCII is the 7-bit code represented in 8 bits. ASCII has total of 128 codes, that is a 2 raised to 7 codes. Out of them, first 32 and the last 4 are control character. They are not visible. Not visible. Thus, a byte may contain the value. They may either not be valid ASCII code or it cannot be displayed. Binary file, once again repeat, binary file can be used for storing the text, alphabet, image and sound data. Integer or real number require less storage area when stored in the binary form. Binary file is a more compact and take the less storage area. Binary file cannot be created with the help of text editor. Hence, it is difficult to handle. A binary file cannot be seen directly on the monitor. Okay, so this is two types of files, binary and text files. Now we'll see the options of text files, different options of text file and binary file. So this is the first option of text file, that is a W, write. This mode open the new file on the disk for writing if the file exists. Disk for writing, if the file exists, then it will be overwritten. Without, then it will be overwritten without any combination. So this is the first more option. Syntax: F open, here is the file name and W is the mode. Data.txt, data.txt, W is the write mode and read is the second option. This mode open an pre-existing file for reading it. If the two file doesn't exist, then the compiler return the null to the file pointer. Syntax: F open, data.txt is a file name, R is a option. So this is a second mode. Third one, W plus, that is a read and write. W plus read and write. This mode is search for the file. If it is found, content are destroyed. If the file doesn't found, new file is created. Syntax: F upon data.txt, W plus. Append, this mode open the pre-existing file for appending the data. Syntax: F open data.txt, A is a option. Then A plus append plus read. Look at this, A plus append plus read. This is the option. That is the end of file. Mean that we append something at the end of file. A open syntax data.txt A plus. Next 6 option, R plus read plus write. This mode used for both reading and writing. So this is a text file, option of text file. Text file. Binary files. Once again I repeat, binary file is the file that use all the 8 bits of byte for storing the information. It is the form of which can be interpreted and understood by the computer. The only difference between the text file and binary file is that data content the text file can be recognized by the word processor, and binary file that doesn't recognize by the word processor. Okay, now we see some option of a binary file. First option is WB, B for binary. Okay, W means that write. This open the binary file in write mode. Syntax: F upon data.dat and WB. What is the dot extension? Okay, dat extension is a generic extension, generic extension, uh, that open is a generic extension. So this is called as a DAT. Mean that generally used for in binary executable file. .rb, this uh, open a binary file in read mode. Yep, open data.dat, then append ab. This open the binary file in append mode. That is the data can be added at the end of file. Okay, that is a ab. Syntax data dat ab. Next, R plus B, read and write. This mode open the pre-existing file and in the read and the write mode. Syntax, here F is a file pointer, F upon dat data.dat R plus B. R plus B, next option, read, write and read. This mode create a new file for reading and writing in binary mode. Syntax similar, W plus B. A plus B, append plus write. This mode open the file in the append mode. That is the data can be written at the end of file. Okay, F append data dot dat A plus B. So these are the different mode of files in C. That is a mode of text file and binary files. That is a mode swing option. Next, now we'll see the basic file operation: naming a file, opening a file, reading the data from file, writing data into file, random access of record, closing a file. Input output operation: once the file is open, of reading out of or writing to its achieve using the standard input output routines. There are two distinct routines. First one, low level input output function. Second level, high level input output function. Low level input output function, it is used in Unix system call, and high level input output function, it is used in C standard IO library. Now we will see the input output operation. First one is the app open. App open, it create a new file for use or open an existing file for use. App close, it close the file which has been opened for use. Get W, this function return the integer value from the given file and increment the file pointer position to the next position. That is a get W. It return the integer value from a given file and increment the file pointer position to the next position. Syntax get W file pointer. Where the file pointer is a file pointer which take the integer value from file. Put W. This function is used for writing integer value to a given file. Yes, what is the difference between put W and get W? Get W function return the integer value from the given file, and put W that writing the integer value to given file. Syntax PW value file pointer. Where file pointer is a file pointer value is an integer value which is a return to given file. Example of get W and put W. Here is a one example of get W and put W. This is a simple example. Here we declare the file pointer, that is a file pointer P, declare the one variable. We use the fopen function c dot dat, that is a file name, and WB is a option, that is a writing mode in binary. Okay, enter the integer data, scan, then here we check within while condition n not equal to 0, then put W. Okay, put W n fp. Put W means that writing the something in the file. Okay, that is the call as a put W. Rewind and get W, that is mean that it returns something at the end of file. Okay, so this is an example of using get W and put W. So output will like this: when we enter 10, 20, 34, 45, then it print like this. Okay. Next, input output operation, yup gets. Yup get C. This function is same as the yup get get C function, it also reads the single character from the given file and increment file pointer. It return end of file. If the end of file is a reach or encounter an error. Once again, I repeat. Your function is same as a get C function. It also reads the single character from the given file. Syntax: f get C file pointer, where the file f ptr is a file pointer and ch is a variable which receive the character written by the get C. A put C function write the character to the specified stream at the current file position, then the increment the file position indicator. Okay, so this is a put C and get C function. So this is a syntax for put C, ch and file pointer, where the ch is a variable returned to the file which is a pointed by file pointer, and file pointer is a file pointer variable. Okay, now we'll take the one before that we will see the what is the get C. Here is a declaration: get C function used to read the character from the file, um, and C program we read the character from below, and put C function is used to display the character on the standard output and used to write up into file. Mm. So this is an example using get C and put C. Okay, so get C that read the information and put C that write the data. Okay, so this is an example using get C and put C. So this will be the output. Fprint and fscanf. Fprintf function is used to write the set of character into file. It send the formatted output to stream. Syntax: fprintf file star stream constant character pointer format. Okay, so this is syntax for fprintf. So this is a example using the fprintf function. Okay, same as fscanf function is used to read the set of character from the file, and it read the word from the file and return end of file at the end of file. Okay, so this is very simple when we use the scanf in C and C++ program. The syntax: look at this. This is syntax: file stream constant char format. Okay, so remember this syntax. So this is an example using fscanf. Okay, so here we use the scanf and it will read the information. Okay, so this is a for a different file operation and use of files in C function. Okay, so here we stop here, and thank you very much.